My name is Kate Reed, and I'm here today to talk about Beyond Biomimicry. Beyond Biomimicry is a 3D printed collection of wearable devices that are all grown, not made. And they all utilize interspecies collaboration, both computationally and physically, to create new wearable devices that feel natural to our bodies and feel natural to our planet. I create wearable computers that look and feel like the extensions of our bodies that they are. We must create interspecies collaborations to ensure that nature has a space in our futures. And so to create a collective future with nature, I'm taking nature with us as a designer to create a new collection of wearable devices that are all grown, not made. Re3D has been amazing for the Beyond Biomimicry collection. Almost every piece was printed out on a gigabot printer, some of which were actually printed out by Re3D in Texas, and they've just been such a wonderful support for troubleshooting and all of the different things that are involved with 3D printing. Beyond Biomimicry was the first project I've done where I've ever had a print that lasted more than 24 hours. And so Re3D was an amazing support for how to handle these long-term prints. My longest print was actually 18 days, which is pretty mind-blowing to me. I love to work with companies like Re3D because they care about and foster community around what they're doing, and that's just so amazing. Beyond Biomimicry really couldn't have happened without Re3D and their gigabot printers. You can hear more about some of my other work at www.beyondbiomimicry.com.